It was just a fine morning. Just strolling around Dumaguete City. Enjoying the morning scenery and just cruising. We were not expecting what could possibly happen. So I just ride along. Oh, and by the way, the brakes on this bike are new, and so I decided to test it. Just to make sure the brakes are working perfectly. Notice the white van just ahead of us. There's the white van. Notice this van. He is not using his turn signal lights and cuts us off. So I honked at him just so he would notice us. But he also honked back at us. So I slowed down to make a contact with him and asked what's the problem. Later I realized that the driver and the van itself is from our town. I just kept on following him. But it seems that as if he didn't notice. I know he can see me through the side mirrors. So I kept on saying that I already got it on camera. And just so you know, this is for my safety as well. To those who drive four-wheel vehicles, don't act like you own the road. Be mindful of the others who are also using the road. Make sure to use your turn signal lights before making a turn. In that way you are not just helping others, but you are also helping yourself to avoid accidents. Drive cautiously and be mature.